It's fun to draw a puppy, step by step. Starting with the ears and head. This is for all those who requested a puppy. To make your request, just comment below or comment on my channel. Aw, he's gonna be so cute. You can shade in the eye and the eyebrow a bit, just to make them stand out, like that. Draw a big pupil. You can shade that in too. Add some markings. Now draw short legs and round paws. And he's got a big bump. Draw a cute little tail. And there you go. To be the first to see new Fun2draw videos, subscribe here. And you can watch more cool and cute drawing videos on my channel by clicking here. Thanks for watching everyone, and see you next time!